Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today we're learning about phonics sounds of digraphs, CK, NG, and GH. CK, when a short vowel sound is followed by the K sound at the end of a one-syllable word, we usually spell that K sound with CK. It's a hard K sound. Examples: back, short A plus CK, duck, short U plus CK, pick, short I plus CK, neck, short E plus CK, lock, short O plus CK. NG. The NG sound is a nasal sound found in words like ring or song. It's made by the back of the tongue touching the soft palate, with air flowing through the nose. Examples: sing, long, bang. GH. The letters GH have two main phonics sounds in English, and in some words it is silent. One sound is F, like in the word laugh, cough. The other is a hard G sound, like in ghost. Sometimes, GH is silent, especially in words like night or high. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.